Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to clear all cache and junk files from Windows 11 or Windows 10. Either it could be a PC or your computer. You can use this same method to clear cache and junk files from your Windows. For performing this, first you will have to press Windows plus R. Then this Windows run pop-up window will appear to you. Here you have to type prefetch. After you type this, you have to click on OK here. After you click OK, you will see this window. You will see different junk files created here. You have to press Ctrl A here. After you press Ctrl A, all files will be selected. Then you have to delete this, Shift delete. After you Shift delete this, then you can press yes. You can see that it is cleared. Again you have to press Windows R button. After you press Windows R, you will see again this pop-up window. Here you have to type now temp, TEMP. After you type here temp, this is for temporary, you have to press OK. These are the temporary files created in your Windows. You have to again press Ctrl A and Shift delete it. After you Shift delete it, you have to press yes. Now these are some important files of your PC left. You have to click here on the do this all for current items and then click on skip. You have to skip these files because these files are important for your PC to run some of the particular applications. After this, you have to again press Windows R and type here percentage I. Then you have to type temp, then again percentage. Then you have to click on OK. After you click on OK, then you have to again select all these files. You have to use Ctrl A. After this, you have to Shift delete. Then again you have to click on do this for current item and skip. These are the important files for your PC. You have to skip these files. Then you have to close this window. After you close this window, then you have to again press Windows R and open this run window. Then you have to type here clean manager, clean mgr, then press OK. Then you will see here different drives. You can select any particular drive. I will clear Windows C junk files and press OK here. You can see different files here. You have to select the files I am showing. You have to select these files only. After selecting these files, you have to press OK here. After you press OK, these all files will be deleted from Windows C drive. These junk files and all cache files are deleted from your PC in your Windows C. You can use this process. Thanks for watching this video.